Okay, some people experience this crackling in the joint. If your knees or shoulders crackle when you move, it's usually harmless. It's just a common sound from gas bubbles or tight ligaments shifting. But if you are also feeling pain, stiffness, or swelling, it could be an early sign of joint wear and tear, even mild osteoarthritis. So, can supplements help? In many cases, yes, supplements can help you. Here are the top options backed by research. Number one is glucosamine and chondroitin. These help to protect the cartilage and may reduce joint pain over time. Collagen, especially type 2. It supports cartilage structure and flexibility. Number three, turmeric. So this is a powerful anti-inflammatory that helps reduce joint pain and swelling. And finally, MSM, which is methylsulfonylmethane. This helps reduce joint stiffness and improve mobility. And don't forget magnesium, it supports muscle relaxation and nerve function. Adding this with movement, hydration, and a nutrient rich diet may help you start noticing less cracking and creaking of the joints.